Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a 5-minute makeup tutorial. This is a no makeup but makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy. See you in the next one. Bye. So I'm just gonna do a light makeup. I'm just gonna do a very light makeup look on today because I really don't feel like putting makeup on. I put makeup on all weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I think I have a couple of Zoom calls today for work, but I just don't feel like putting on makeup, and probably because I did that on this weekend for no apparent reason. So I'm going to moisturize my face, my C+E oil. I think I'm going to use something else on top of this. I'm not sure.
Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate.
It's gonna be a no makeup kind of look. Is what I'm gonna go for today. To the Hydro Grip.
Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a puffball. Open up, tear you out for a puffball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Open you up like a puffball. Open up. Tear you out for a puffball. Let your emotion waterfall on me.
This is Sephora. No, I'm sorry. This is the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. I'm going to use that more for my foundation than I am for concealer.
Complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN. Engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN. Engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.